Hello everybody, my name is Creative, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Webbie Social profile. Alright, let's begin. The first thing we need to do is log in. We are currently in beta 1.0, so you will now just see a beta sign, so you would just click on beta. You'll just log in with your Gmail account, and then your profile will load up. Now, if this is your first time, you won't get a banner. You'll get a default preview of your image, but I'm going to show you guys quickly how you guys can update that. Now, regarding your profile, you can easily update your banner by just hovering over the banner section, selecting, and then clicking inside the cloud area, and then selecting an image. So I'm just going to select this just for this quick training tutorial. I'm going to select update banner. Make sure you guys understand it's going to be 1500 by 1500 to make sure that you guys have that. Same thing you're going to do for your profile. Just going to go ahead and select and then upload your image. Very simple file. You guys can do that. I'm actually just going to load this right back to currently what I have, so you guys get a good idea of how your profile can be. In the very beginning, you guys will get that purple one, but highly suggest customizing it to your needs. Then we're going to get this little pencil next to your username. This would be the first thing that I would do if I were you guys. Update your username, update your handle. One thing is to make sure that your handle needs to be all lowercase, so keep that in mind as you're entering it. Select your gender if you're a male, female, or if you don't prefer to say. You can go ahead and select your country. And then here's the most important part, is the content creator type. Now, keep in mind that we are going to be adding some tags, filters, and dynamic views. So this is going to be a big part of setting up your profile. I'm going to just set mine up for live streamer, but you have animator, developer, digital artist, game developer, metaverse creator, NFT creator. I mean, there's so many different type of creators that we are onboarding onto this platform. So for right now, I'm just going to just select live streamer. And then we also have this option for open to work. So we are going to be having a job board here in the future. So if you're interested participating in that, just hit yes. And then as the new feature rolls out, you'll be on that job board. Definitely fill out your bio. Take some time to fill it out for people that are reading on it. You have about 300 characters for you to complete. Once you're done with that, all you're going to have to do is hit update profile, and that will display here at the bottom. Now let's talk about socials, right? There's a lot of people that have social media channels and so forth. So what we did is accommodate that is to hit your right tier, these three buttons, you'll get a list of fields for you to split your different socials. So for example, if I want to remove Twitter and hit updates, you won't see Twitter here anymore. So depending on what you want to use, will actually show up. One thing to note is to make sure you guys are using HTTPS for security. We'll end up adding some more on here. And this is a good time to ask you guys, what else are we missing on here for our socials? Would you guys like to see LinkedIn? Would you guys like to see Facebook? Let me know. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit update socials, and then you'll now see the Twitter. Very simple. You just obviously click on it, and then this will open up in a new tab for you to see your different socials that you guys have. Let's get down to our featured content section. This is the mecca of Webbie. Webbie is trying to integrate all your socials, put it into one place for you to show your portfolio for anybody that's looking to work with you or collaborate with you or just invest and see what type of creator you are. So for you, if you want to add a featured content, you're going to see this plus button. You're going to go ahead and select it. Here you're going to have a couple options. You can create a regular post. Now this is just a title, a URL if you want to, an image. If you're a digital artist and you want to submit a digital art piece, go ahead and give it a title, maybe a URL link to your OpenSea, your website, your Mint page, and then we'll have an option to figure out which type of which type of digital art is it that you want to highlight. Again, these tags are going to be very important for you as you guys are building out. We've also added a Twitter integration or X integration where you can just put a title and just embed your tweet or your post. And then if you have a YouTube video, you can go ahead and easily update that. So for right now, for this training tutorial, I'm going to be uploading an NFT for you guys to see for my digital artist. And then I'll go ahead and upload a YouTube video and then an X. So only thing I need to do, again, hit the plus button. I will just navigate to digital art. I'm going to select a PFP. I'm going to just hit this image. I'm going to go hit my owls up here. I'm going to navigate to my website. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that URL up here at the top, paste that URL, and this is called base owl NFT. And I'm just going to put some text here, mint me. Once you're done with that, you're easily just going to select the add content button, and you'll get you'll hear a sound, and then you'll also get a confirmation message here at the top right. There you go. So that's letting you know that the content's been added. You now can easily see this on your featured content page, and you can see the different type of art that we've actually uploaded. If you want to check it out even more, you can go ahead and zoom into here to give you a little bit more visualization. You can actually hit the learn more, and this will open up that URL that you actually provided, so people can go right into your artwork or your project and go ahead and mint it right then and there. Or say you made a mistake and you need to change the title. All you need to do is hit edit content, and then select edit, and then hit update content. That's how easy it is for you guys to update it. As you guys can see, we also have some engagement here at the bottom left. Now this is version beta 1.0, so we're playing around with the fire and then the heart. We're looking to add the fire, as the more fires you have, the more trending it has. The heart is just for the likes. And as you can see, once you hit it, you'll be able to hear those as well. So let's actually move and create some different type of content. Let's actually create a Twitter post, right? I'm going to navigate to my Twitter feed. All I need to do is find the post that I like. So I like this one. I'm just going to hit copy, navigate back to Webbie. Just go ahead and paste this back in here. And then the title, what would the title I want it to be? Building the future for content creators. Just going to go ahead and paste this in here, and I'm just going to hit add. Again, you'll get that notification letting you know that it's been posted. Again, you'll get the tag up there, and then now you'll see your video here in display. So again, you can actually start hitting this, hit play.
Keep working, keep grinding, keep showing
and actually watch your video.
You might
live,
not see a result today. You might not see a result tomorrow.
Webbie.
But eventually, you're going to break through, and you're going to hit that milestone. And I hit a big milestone for me as a content creator, just being thought in.
Very cool. Also, again, if you need to edit your post, hit edit, or if you want to delete it, just hit the delete button. That will delete it there for you. So I'm just going to hit exit, and I'm going to add one more. I'm going to actually add a YouTube video. So I've got my YouTube video here. All I'm going to do is either I can click the URL up here, or select share, copy, go back to Webbie, go back to featured content, hit the plus, select the YouTube tab, and just paste in that URL. Now, what is the title that I want it to be? I want it to be creating your own studio. Just paste that right in there and just hit add content. Again, you'll get the notification. As you can see, there's different tags. So this will let people that are inside checking out your portfolio, all the different socials that you have, all the different artwork that you can create between, if it's a YouTube, Twitter, digital art, a post. In the future, we will add some other integrations with other socials, but for this beta version, we will have this here as well. Moving down is going to be your upcoming event section. One of the things as artists, creators, we have events or influencers. We're either doing a live podcast, or we have a space that's coming up, or we want to share an important event with us. So we've actually added an event section for people to find your event. All you need to do is hit the plus, upload an image. So for this one, I'm just going to select this image here, give it a title, Webbie Social Podcast. Here's where I can enter my URL. So for an example, I have a Twitter space that's coming up, so I'm just going to find that one real quick. Here it is here. I'm just going to hit copy. Oh, let me go down here. Select copy, that will go to there, go back to there, update your event. And then here's the important part, select the type of event. Again, the taxing is going to be very important here in the future, as we're going to be breaking these events into different columns and dynamic views. So this is going to be an X space. I'm just going to select the date. So I'm going to do the 18th. I'll do 10:55 a.m. And then go ahead and add a description here. Let me just grab this. And I'm just going to just paste it in here. and I'm just going to hit add event. Again, you're going to hear that sound. You'll now see it also inside your event section. Then down here we have creators that you should know. So that here you will see some recommendation creators. We will have some creator badges that we'll get to here as we were releasing different phases. Token creation and token holder access, which we'll talk about here in the future. So that's how easy it is to create your portfolio. But I want to show you guys something as well too that we also have, is that we also have an ability to follow and see who's following you within Webbie Social. All you need to do is select your followers here, then you'll get a list of everybody that's actually following you on the application or the platform. So it's a great way for you to network, connect with other creators that are in the space or who are up and coming in here as well too. So you guys can get a view of that. And a new feature that we are working on right now, hopefully you guys will get a chance to see this, is our timeline. Not only can you create your portfolio, but we also want to make sure that it's being broadcasted and being able to see for other people. So our timeline, it's a very dynamic view that gets pulled in from people that are posting on the platform. There's no algorithm tied to this. It's whoever's posting is going to be displayed. So make sure that your content gets more and more visible for more people as you guys are seeing this here. So as you can scroll, people are uploading YouTube videos. People are uploading all their different content that they want to display on their portfolio as they move forward. If it's artwork, you can see the tag if it's a post, a Twitter feed, a YouTube video, a digital art, whatever it is that they want to share, you are now able to see it here on the timeline. Another part that we're adding to the timeline that we're going to be building is obviously the upcoming events section. So now when you have Twitter Spaces, live streams, anything regarding those things, an NFT drop, project release, you'll see the top 5 events right here on the right hand side. As you know, we talked about this is the next space. So I can click on here and then I'll be able to dive right into that space and jump in to see what is happening at that time. We will be releasing more of an events page for more tags and breaking those things down inside. If you guys want to find some more developers, all you need to do is go hit the search button, type in the words of some of the developers or creators that you see on this platform. Then you'll be easily be able to navigate to their portfolio. Again, you'll have a follow section. So if you want to follow them, just hit the follow and then you'll be added to that list. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick Webbie tutorial of how to set up your profile, covering how to set up your banner, profile, bio, featured content, and so much more. I look forward to seeing what you guys create here in the future.